Oh, hey guys, this is Benjamin Key out of beautiful Greenville, South Carolina with KEE Roofing, and up here on a roof, and just wanted to do a quick little video on it's, an actual inspection, what we look for. So I'm going to do that here, and we'll see where it goes. But just wanted to show you guys exactly what it is that we're looking for. And so here you can see granule loss in a circular pattern. You can actually feel the bruising of the shingle. Again here, another one here, another one here, another one here, here. Now this roof is older, as I said earlier, but it doesn't really matter if the roof's old or if the roof's new. Damage is damage. And so here I did earlier what we call a brittle test, where we actually take a shingle and do it like this, where we bend it similar to what wind would, or what we would need to do in order to make a repair. And if a crease occurs or if it tears, then it failed the brittle test. And the reason we were looking too is underneath the shingle, you can see all of the debris right here on the tar line. Now see this shingle again, that's considered wind damage, because what happened is the wind actually blew these shingles up at some point, put debris underneath them, and now that tar strip that runs under the shingle is never going to seal back down properly. So again, that's something that a lot of people don't realize would be covered under your, for the insurance companies to get this covered for you as well. So we've got the front covered here. Now we're going to go to the back and take a look and see what's going on here as well. Now again, guys, this is an older roof, but damage is damage. She's never actually filed a claim. She's owned this house the whole time, and so this again here is wind damage, so we're going to mark that with a W. We've got another shingle that is actually creased from wind, another one that's, well, just sitting there. More wind damage, more wind damage. I'm actually really surprised she's not leaking with the amount of shingles she's missing here, so we'll check with her on that and possibly do a temporary repair for her as well. Got some more wind damage here. Again, we've got exposed nail heads, which you never want to see, especially this right here is open. Water can come right into the house here when it rains. Same thing. More wind damage. Now, we've got both wind and hail damage to this property. Most likely what we're going to write this up as wind and hail, because we've had strong winds as well. We can pull a report on that and tell how strong of winds we have. There's actually an actual shingle tab right there. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just identify the hail damage. And so let's go back down here to the opposite side of where I was earlier and see if we have the equivalent of what we had on the front on the back. And again, it's hard to find sometimes. You got to really look with an older roof like this, but if you're used to looking at this and you have the report that kind of identifies what size hail you're looking for, it starts to really jump out at you. And well, that's tough to say. See, again, we've got debris under the shingles. This is what we call zippering. See, that's loose there. This is loose here. This is loose here, here, here. Oh, that's completely loose. So again, that's wind damage. You don't even realize you have it. So let's just document a couple more. And that's really all we're going to need because of the amount of damage that we already know is on this roof. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this, but just wanted to show you guys exactly what we do. So we're going to write back, and we're going to write hail equals 15 plus. W equals 1, 2, 3, oh gosh, 15 plus for wind. And that's about it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around. So there you have it, guys. That's what we generally look for when we come out and do an inspection. We're gonna draw a 10 by 10 square on the front and the back of the roof. We're gonna look to see, do we have 7 to 10 hits in a 10 by 10 area? And do we have a significant amount of detached shingles, creased shingles, or missing shingles for wind damage as well? So with that, what we were going to do with this customer in this situation, being that we also found gutter damage, we found hits to the screens, we found hits to the soft metals, to the windows, the window glazing, siding, things of that nature. We're going to go ahead and walk her through a letter of authorization to give us permission to communicate with her insurance company to come out and meet her adjuster now that we know there's damage, and recommend that we have her file a claim for wind and hail damage. And we'll get this customer approved for full replacement, and we're going to do a free upgrade to a lifetime warranted architectural shingle, so she'll be happy with that. So with that, guys, this is Benjamin Key with KEE Roofing. If there's anything we can do to help you guys out, just remember, give us a call at 1-844-KEE-ROOF, or you can reach us at keeroofing.com. Bye for now.